Hi Sumit. So as a fashion designer and content creator, AI ensures that I never run out of creative ideas, whether I am searching for new style inspiration or creating new designs. So let me show you how I use Bing to create amazing designs. These are all the designs that I created using Bing AI. You can create any design of your choice. It's very simple to create. So to do this, just open your browser and type bing.com/images/create. This will streamline the process and take you exactly where you start creating. Then in the search box, just type in what you want. For example, create African model with Ankara short flare gown. You can decide the color, the length. You can just be specific. Just type in whatever it is that you want, because this is a text to image prompt, so you have to let your creativity and imagination run wild, as this will generate a unique image based on what you typed. So this is what I typed in and this is what it is giving me. And like I said, you can choose the length, the design that you want, the color that you want. It doesn't have to be a particular one. It's just dependent on you and what you want. So it is an interesting and cost-effective way to use AI to bring life to those beautiful designs, imaginations, creativity, ideas that you have. So this is totally up to you and how creative you can be. The images generated may not be 100% perfect, but they are quite interesting and you will definitely get better with constant practice. So this is another design that I created for a 5-year-old. I typed in the color that I want, which is pink, and you can see what this brought for me. So like I said, just create, imagine, create. This is another one for a pregnant model. It's totally up to how creative you can get and the ideas that comes to your mind. I hope you are getting something from this tutorial. If you like tutorials like this, let us know in the comment section. Follow, like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.